Our world is full of beautiful people, but there are some guys who are just a class above in the looks department. Being handsome is not just having a good looking face, but rather it's about the body, looks, and appeal. When most of the world are the beauty of the woman, we will tell you about the top 10 world most handsome men in 2020. We all have fallen for a handsome man at least once, and a good looking man with a charming personality is surely a bonus. Being handsome doesn't mean having a good looking face only, it comes with the body, the appeal, the personality, the intelligence, and the perfect sense of humor. Here is the list of the top 10 most handsome men in the world. Let's check them out. Number 1. Hrithik Roshan. He is a famous actor and amazing dancer. He was born on January 10, 1974. Due to the craze of many Indian girls, Hrithik is the most celebrated Bollywood actor. Hrithik Roshan deserves to be in the number 1 because of his very good looking, heightened and charming personality. Number 2. Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise is an American actor and producer known for his role of hit-and cartoon in the movie series Mission Impossible. Cruise is the second handsome man from all over the world, although he was born on 3rd July 1962, but doesn't matter for him. Women from around the world are crazy for his charming look and dashing personality, so he is one of the most dashing and good-looking guy. Number 3. Chris Evans. This list is not going to be complete if the American captain is not there. Chris Evans is an American actor mostly known for his famous film Captain America, where he appeared in 4 amazing series. So if you encounter him in the movie, trust me that you will also love and adore him in real life. Chris Evans was born on 13 June 1981 in USA. Number 4. Omar Weekend El Gala. Interestingly, this man was actually asked to leave the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia because of his being so good looking. Apparently there was some chance of mishappening because of his irresistible looks. Omar Barkan El Gala was born on 23rd September 1989 in Baghdad, Iraq. He is a poet, actor and internet sensation, one of the men who were too sexy for Saudi Arabia. Number 5. Ian Somerhalder. Somerhalder is a well-known American director and model who has become famous for his work in the television drama The Vampire Diaries. Some critics even call him the sexiest man alive on the television. Number 6. David Beckham. The famous footballer once known as the sexiest man alive, and after looking at him, no one can disagree. David Beckham is considered as one of the most marketable players in the world of sports. Even at the age of 44, he looks pretty good. Number 7. Henry Cavill. The British actor is quite popular for his films like Man of Steel, Batman vs Superman and vice versa. But he has won a big reputation amongst universe. His broad and Superman-ish jawline managed to get him some extra female friends. Number 8. Bradley Cooper. Bradley Cooper comes 8th on our list of the top 10 handsome men. The perfect handsome man has the ocean blue eyes and he can pull off any role with his seductive smile. He was also on the People magazine Sexiest Man Alive in 2011. We can definitely say that the 49-year-old cute actor is one of the most handsome men in the world. Number 9. Brad Pitt. Without the mention of this 56-year-old American actor, the list of the top 10 world most handsome men would not be complete. Brad Pitt has very attractive eyes and a deep voice. He has done many Hollywood blockbusters like Fight Club, Troy, Inglourious Basterds and many more. And the last number of the list, number 10, Robert Pattinson. This handsome actor was born on 13 May 1986 and he started a career as a model. The thing that makes him one of the most handsome men in the world is his mesmerizing eyes that are enough for making any girl crazy. Pattinson has romance with many beautiful actresses that includes Twilight co-star Kristen, etc. Only this much for today. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Did you know? Thank you for being here.